Well, it is fantastic to be at Finovate. Your company data is your competitive moat. Today, we're going to show you with AI Squared how you can harness your data using generative AI quickly, efficiently, and securely. I'm Michelle Bonat, CTO at AI Squared.
And I'm Andre, head of marketing at AI Squared.
AI Squared is a platform for product owners, data scientists, and enterprise leaders that helps you accelerate your AI projects, both predictive and generative AI, measure their benefits, and accelerate revenue and reduce costs.
And with our roots in military intelligence, we are backed by top-tier Silicon Valley VCs, and we're trusted by Fortune 100 financial services companies.
So as an AI CTO at JPMorgan Chase, this is the platform I wish I had. And today, I am extremely thrilled to announce that we've added generative AI onto our platform in addition to predictive AI. So let's take a look. Imagine Andre works in cybersecurity at a bank. There's something going on in the threat atmosphere, and he needs to understand what's going on. So he puts a question into the chatbot. What ports does Nexpose run on? So this is a chatbot built using generative AI on the AI Squared platform. This is the example we're giving today. You can build a chatbot in AI Squared using, for any topic, using your own data, any data. So we've gotten a result. Andre, what do you think?
You know what, the answer is accurate, but I think it was a little laggy in performance. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a thumbs down. I'm going to select that performance was a bit of an issue, and I'm going to say that I expected the response to be quicker. And in terms of what's the correct response, faster response. Submit.
So let's try another query because Andre has more questions. What is a cobalt strike? So what's happening here is the chatbot looks at multiple databases, multiple document repositories, websites, and if Andre was doing this himself without this, he would take a long time. He'd have to look at multiple places, multiple apps, and what is he going to do? And so we get something here. Andre, how are you feeling about this?
This was a little laggy, but it was a comprehensive response. For right now, I'm going to say thumbs up. The performance is really fast on this one. Sorry, the accuracy was really there on this one. Performance might have lagged a bit.
All right. So this is really important. According to Gartner, fully 96% of organizations aren't optimizing their chatbots. And the reason is, once it meets the world, you have a lot of work to do. You have to get the user feedback. You have to tune your models. Are you going to use Falcon or DALL-E or Llama? Are you going to get the human feedback? Are you going to do RLHF, reinforcement learning for human feedback? Are you just going to update the feedback right into your models? Well, AI Squared helps you with all that, and let's show how that happens in the platform. This is the AI Squared platform. You can see on the left the Workspace tab, which has all your projects. Below that, the registry that lets you move it to various stages of the project lifecycle, and users and groups. So look at the Workspace. All of these are model cards, which represent ML pipelines that you've configured. Remember I said that you can do predictive AI as well. You can see some of those. So Next Best Action NBA lets salespeople understand the next thing they should offer their prospect. SOS Dashboard, Sales Opportunity Score, helps relationship managers recommend the right thing to their client. And even Health Scorecard helps your team understand the customer health that may be happening and give feedback on that. So these are all examples you can configure. But back to our FinService Flywheel chatbot. You see this here, and right from here you can do things like edit the configuration, see insights, share it with your team, download the feedback, move it to the various stages. So when we click into this, what we see is all the things you can configure. harvesters, analytics, pre and post-processing, rendering, where you put it into the machine learning result, and feedback. So remember I showed you feedback in the chat that Andre had put in. This is where you can configure it. So right here you saw, was the response accurate? Yes, no. Tell us what went wrong. You can put in whatever you want feedback on. What would have been a better response? You can ask it to ask your user anything, and this can even auto-tune your models back in. Control and security is really important, especially in financial services. So you can see users, assign them to roles, admin, data scientists, assign them to groups, and even in your registry, you see here, book of business, how's it going? The usage is down, so I'm actually going to take that out of production. In summary, what we showed you today is a chatbot built using AI Squared, a Gen AI chatbot. We showed you cybersecurity. You can do on any topic for any data that you have. Then we showed you how to configure it in our platform, some predictive AI examples that you can also do, and how you can update it, get the user feedback, and make it better.
So with AI Squared, remember, you get 3 things. Speed to market, you can launch your generative AI projects quickly using your own data. 2, you get increased efficiency. You can test various LLMs and get user feedback and use it to tune your models automatically. And last, built-in privacy and security, control user roles, permissions, and project deployment stages.
And we would love to talk to you about your use case, so please stop by and have a chat. Thank you very much.